Okay, here we go. This is my first unboxing video. My Spek leather covers are finally here after months and months, and I'm beyond excited. And you get this with your box. Eek. And some leather samples. Cool. I think this is, oh yeah, undyed. Oopsie. I'm new to this whole like unboxing situation, so I apologize for that. And oh boy, I can't wait. Petra did send me pictures of these, so I do know what they look like, but let's see how they look in person. This is my Codex Custom Weeks. Oh my goodness. Oh, this color is absolutely gorgeous in person. Whoa. These are my first ever VDS covers, and oh man. So I got the lemon Napa. It is so soft. Whoa. And then for the stitching, I got the Nubuck Myrtle. I think that's how you say it. It's like the hot pink. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but my other one, my A6 is reversed. So, okay, this lemon is exactly the yellow that I was hoping for. Oh. Wow. Yeah, it is really soft. This is really, really, really cool. And then I just did like the basic regular layout on here. I didn't change anything in here. I think the only thing that I did custom on this was the front pocket and the chunky clasp. I did not want a back thing or anything, a back pocket, zipper, anything. Like, this is so perfect. So now here's my weeks, my Hobonichi weeks, and she's finally got a home. I have to like go through and like put everything in here and get so excited. Oh man. This cover looks so, the cover of the Hobonichi weeks looks so cute with this yellow. And of course I have to give a shout out to the Coffee Monster Company because I love, 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 love all of their stuff, my little charms. Yeah, okay, this is so cool. I can't wait to like put everything over. Fits perfectly, and oh, it's so pretty. What a good yellow. Oh, okay. So there's that. And so that's the weeks. And then I did my A6. And they both ended up being ready at the same time. So what a fun Friday surprise. Oh man. Look at this hot pink. So this is the Nubuck leather. And Oh man, this is so incredibly soft. And like I said on the other one, so I did the stitching. The stitching is opposite for each one. So I just did the whole cover the same color, but then I wanted the stitching to be opposite. And it's like so pretty, it pops. Oh, okay. So this is like a different kind of soft than the Napa leather. I'm glad I got two different kinds so I could see like the difference, but this is like really soft. Oh, so cool. Oh, it's beautiful. So there's, for this one, I'm trying to remember what I did for the custom. I think all I did for the custom for this is the chunky clasp again. I didn't do a front pocket on this because I'm actually going to get an A5 size that's in production with a pocket. And so for this, for my A6 journal, I don't really need one. So this will protect my Hobonichi, and it still has all these pockets for stickers and cards and all the things that I need. Pen loop. Oh, I did the brown tag and lining. Oh, I love pink and brown. I mean, I love pink and black. I love pink and brown. Like, it's just, yeah, amazing. It turned out incredible. I'm so happy. Now I get to have some fun playing with everything. Here's my Hobonichi A6 and some more Coffee Monster Company stuff. So I think what I'm going to be doing with this one is tucking it in the back and leaving it untucked in the front, and then just like, you know, doing this, and then I can put all my supplies over here. And then there's another pocket there. So I'm so excited. Thank you, Spek. I love them.